Hello, let's dig up some history. It's time to learn.
In Mongolia,
Back in the day,
fossilized eggs showed us the way.
in the 1920s, a big surprise. Dino eggs found before our eyes. Fossils told the story true of baby dinos hatching through. From the nest they hatched and grew. Tiny dinos breaking through. With shells so tough, but life so small. Dinosaur babies learning to crawl. Dinosaur eggs hidden away, waiting for their hatching day. In the dirt, in the past, dino babies growing fast. Eggshells fossilized left behind, helping us see what we couldn't find. A peek into the ancient world of baby dinos, tales unfurled. Dinosaur eggs hidden away, waiting for their hatching day. In the dirt, in the past, dino babies growing fast. With each new find we learn so much about how dinos came to touch. From eggs to giants roaming free, dino life's a mystery. Fossils tell a tale so old of dino eggs, a story bold. In the ground they left a clue of ancient life breaking through. Dinosaur eggs, a mystery waiting to unfold. Dinosaur eggs, a mystery waiting to unfold. Dinosaur eggs, a mystery waiting to unfold.